In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own high-quality audio cables at home. Whether you're setting up a home studio or just looking to improve your audio setup, making your own cables is a great way to ensure top-notch sound quality. Let's get started. Step 1. Cutting the cable. First, we're going to start by cutting the cable to your desired length. Make sure to measure twice and cut once to avoid any mistakes. Use a good pair of cable cutters for a clean cut. Step 2. Stripping the wires. Next, we'll strip the outer insulation from the ends of the cable. You want to expose the inner wires without damaging them. Use a wire stripper and carefully remove about an inch of the outer layer. Step 3. Tinning the wires. Now that the wires are exposed, we'll tin them. This means applying a thin layer of solder to the exposed wire ends. It helps make a better connection when soldering to the connectors. Use some flux on the wires, then heat them with a soldering iron and apply a small amount of solder. Step 4. Preparing the connectors. With the wires tinned, it's time to prepare the connectors. Place the connectors in a vise to keep them steady. Just like we did with the wires, apply some flux to the connector terminals and tin them with solder. Step 5. Soldering the wires to the connectors. Now we'll solder the tinned wires to the tinned connectors. This part requires a steady hand. Carefully heat the connector and wire together until the solder melts and bonds them. Make sure each connection is secure and clean. Step 6. Closing the connectors. Once the wires are soldered, we can close the connectors. Depending on the type of connector you're using, this might involve screwing on a cover or using heat shrink tubing to protect the connections. Make sure everything is secure and neat. And there you have it, you've just made your own custom audio cable. This DIY approach not only saves you money, but also gives you the satisfaction of creating something for yourself that you can trust. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled DIYer, building your own cables is a valuable skill in the technological era we are living in. Remember, the quality of the components and the craftsmanship are key to great results. Check the description below for links to detailed walkthroughs on specific connector models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for direct approach videos like this.